My name is Joni Dark, and I'm a resident here in B-Say-Tah. And this year I have joined forces with the University of Regina and water rangers to do some water testing here on the lake. I'm really concerned about the water quality, how it is becoming worse and worse. I have grandchildren now who are swimming in this lake. I want to make sure things are safe for them. I test usually in the mornings. They suggest before 10 o'clock in the morning and after 7 o'clock at night. I'm testing for pH value levels, conductivity, the oxygen levels, and clarity of the water. So can I see? I drop this Secchi dish down into the water and measure the distance of where I can see it. And that tells us, you know, how much stuff is coming through. Is there more algae in the water, the clarity of it? And mine are pretty basic. I'm a newbie at this year. So, you know, what I'm doing is I have a comfort level with now. Water Rangers has this great little app on our cell phones that we can use to put the data into right away, or you can record it. And there's a little booklet that's provided for that as well. I also take lots of pictures of what's going on in the area. So are there any dead fish? Are there weeds? But I test weekly. I want to see the changes. You know, it's a real curiosity that's just been brought forward for me, that I'm more aware of things now and I want to know. So.
Would you do this again?
Absolutely. Yeah, and I'd like maybe next time to do a little more in-depth. It's amazing when I'm doing the testing, especially at the parks, how many people come up to me and say, you know, what are you doing? They're curious. You know, is the water safe? Can we be swimming here? And I have to say, I really don't know, but I'm getting some of the information, gathering that so that you will know.